Well, good evening, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having a great and wonderful day. It's a good, wonderful evening here. Trying to zip on over to get some ethanol-free fuel, since it is winter time. So we usually try to get the ethanol free as much as we can. But in the summer, I go through enough that, you know, it's more convenience. I'll stop at Sheets. You know, I don't really. I try to do the ethanol free as much as I can, but it's not really a game changer during the summer. But alrighty, all that horrendous traffic and nobody being able to decide what lane you need to be in. My gosh, was that dangerous. I mean, I've been living in this area my whole life, and I never remember being that bad. My gosh, that was insane. But of course, in the midst of that, I get a phone call. But we survived that horrendous mess. We got our ethanol-free fuel, so the Indian's good for a while. Oh yeah, I can't do that in the F-250. Okay, so, well, I didn't die yet. And seen two BMW riders, of course. So they're all out. Yeah, the chilly weather don't bother them, as usual. Even though I'm dressed like one. I'm dressed like a BMW rider on a... Good evening, everybody. As much as I like to be overdramatic and cry and do all that pouty face stuff, well, I'm not that actor. I'm not an actress either, so sorry. But it is such a sad time. It is that time of the year. It's time to drag out the battery tender. That is kind of sad. Although, for me, I got a lot of other hobbies, a lot of other interests, and, you know, work. So, it's not as sad as some. But, here we go. So, always a fun. So, we got the Tri-Glide. We finally found where that is. As I grunt like the old fart I am. We found where that is. Oh, now we do the Optimate 3. Now we have to go here, all the way over there. So, I mean, what could go wrong? It's only electric, and you're only dealing with metal. So, what could go wrong? Pardon me, Neon. I have to go over to the Kawasaki. As I continue with my old man grunt. Will it reach? Well, not with only one hand. Or what? Can I do it? Okay, now we'll try the Kawasaki. We'll stare at my butt. Hey. There we go. One bike plugged in. One bike and a trike plugged in. I'm sure with my professional video skills, I'm sure this shows up real good as you go into the darkness of the Indian. The dark abyss. I'm gonna need to take. Well, close enough, I think. So, as we may trip and fall. So, why is it oriented that way? Oh, stupid GoPro. So, we have the Optimate 8 ×4. Got everything all plugged in and blinky. Charging up. Season is here. Although, that doesn't mean the end of riding season. Just means, well, less riding. I gotta try to dig that out. My organization here. I gotta try to get the snowblower out eventually here. Hopefully, not sooner. So, there's the girls. All plugged in. Sucking that electric. It's a sad, sad time. So, until next time, have a great, wonderful week. Thanks for riding along. Hopefully you enjoyed. We'll see what becomes of this winter. So, have a great, wonderful week. Thanks for watching. Unless it clicked off already, then, but for 3 of you that are still watching, thank you. You're awesome.